Hi, in this video I will show you how to make the profile public on the Twitter. So the process is pretty simple. First of all, open your Twitter mobile application, and once you will open it, now you have to click on the three lines on the left top right here. You have to click on it. Once you will click on it, a menu will be pop up here. Simply you will see multiple options here. You have to click on the settings and the privacy. Now you will see multiple options here. You have to click on the privacy and the safety, and maybe your this toggle is turned on, so you have to turn off this toggle. You have to turn off this toggle like this. So in this way you can make your Twitter profile public. Hope this video will be helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.